So a few months ago, my husband and I, who we've been working on our house now for the greater part of 4 years. Cheese. You want some? Our house had a leak in an upstairs bathroom, and our home is pretty much ruined. Since then, we have been living with my in-laws, gracious enough to take us in with my family of 6. So that's myself, my husband, and our 4 babies, and my mom, who has been living with us to help us while I navigate maternity, and my husband continues being a spine surgeon. So it's just been pretty crazy around our house. I look forward to kind of showing you guys the journey in rebuilding it, because like, why not? Like, I might as well show what it's like to rehab a house, have it ruined, and then rehab it back. But yeah, stay tuned.